All right, we're going to take a look at gold and silver. First, we'll start off with the gold. As you can see, we have a beautiful pennant forming here where we have, lower tops and higher bottoms. And pennant is when it comes together right here. Usually, pennants will be continued to the larger trend, which, as you can see, we are in a downtrend quite a bit in gold. We really need for silver or for gold to pop out of this area to get up above this. Well, actually, we needed to get above the 786 to get it started, which is $70. But right now, it's looking rather weak. There's several things that tell us the weakness is here. First of all, we did break the 786. To the downside, we held the 618 for 5 or 6 days. Then we broke below the 786, didn't quite make the bottom, but on the rally back, we could only make an exact 50% retracement. We couldn't even make a 61% retracement during this time, and that's usually a bad sign. So this is going to be interesting where we are. We do have support here at the 61% of this whole move right here. From here to here, the support comes in. Uh, Rather clearly at the 1160 area. You'll see here, actually it's yeah, 1175, 1172 would be pretty strong support, would be my guess. That's what we'd be watching here in the gold. If we were to look at this a little bit differently here, we could see a Gartley pattern forming at that same level too. From here, there's your A B leg, there's your BC, and that would take you down to right about there. There you are at the 1175 would be the 61% retracement. Now that would be breaking this to the downside, so be sure that you look for, a doji type pattern to keep you from, or tweezers to keep you from, tweezers are when we have these two little things together that look like tweezers. That just tells you that there's some support there, that's all, or resistance in this case. Okay, that's what we're watching in the gold. Now, the next one we want to watch is the silver, and that is even more bearish because as you can see here, after we made that 61% retracement here, we did go below it once, as you can see, and then we had a little 3-day rally, and the 3-day rally could only make a 38% retracement when we made the 50% retracement in the gold. So this is still much, much weaker than the gold market. This sets up a potential for another move where you would have another A, B, C, D possibly to the downside, or even a very big one, A, B, C, D, all the way down to a potential double bottom. So right now, silver and gold are not looking very well. Not only that, but you had this shooting star pattern on Friday where you had the high and then closing in the lower end of the range, which is also not very good. So that's what we're watching here in gold and silver for today. So live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.